What's going on, everyone? This is RFBM, Raising the Financial Bar with Mar. So today I just want to do a quick video about the Amex points and the different ways that you can spend them. Don't end up like me screwing up and undervaluing my points simply because I accidentally used my points to buy this mic from Best Buy, and apparently your points are valued differently. So as a result of that, I didn't get the best value for my points. All right, so what I'm going to do is just go on the website, click on the rewards section and get you to the home. This is something that you'll do when you're trying to get a better idea of different reward points, details, and what you can do with your points. So I'm just gonna scroll all the way to the bottom because I already know. And as you can see, there's a couple of different ways you can, but you have to do what's best. And that Best Buy really screwed me up. I bought a mic for $70 with the points, but the points didn't match. So what I'm going to do is just go over to the actual section here, which gives you a better overview of everything with the points. And now that I'm here, they ask you what type of membership rewards card I have, and I have two, but what I'm going to do is just use the Blue Business Plus card, and from there you're going to see the different points. So boom, 10,000 rewards points transfers to $70. So I lost 30% of value by using my points, 10,000 points, to buy $70 worth of Best Buy merchandise, and the merchandise was a podcast mic. So if we're talking value, 0.7 cent point is not a very good way to utilize your points value wise, and you want to get your best value. And matter of fact, covering your card charges by using it as statement credit is only 0.6 cent a point. So you're not going to get the greatest value through there either. So one of the other ways that you can best utilize your points is probably using your Amex points for travel rewards. So maybe transferring it to a provider via flight, or using it for gift card purchases. Depending on what type of gift card it is, they'll give you different value. So as you can see here, where Bahama Breeze is $100, another company may have it at 85, 50, 60, 70. You just have to decide what best fits for you. I personally think this can be helpful, but I would only convert my points into a gift card if I get the full value of 1-to-1, so $100. So all in all, I believe the Amex membership rewards points are one of the most valuable points on the entire credit card market, and you can get the best value, in my opinion, through these Amex points from using them for your gift card use or for the flights. And the flights are probably your best bet. However, it all depends on what goal that you have in mind. Needless to say, all I know is that I will, going forward, use my points strictly for gift cards, booking a flight directly through the Amex website, and or transferring my points to a hotel partner, or using it for hotels in network. Please keep in mind that all Amex cards are not created equally. So you won't receive the same benefits necessarily at every portion of the website. However, once you're on the actual portion where you can book and do other things with your points, you want to make sure that you're doing your research and you're scoping out the website so you can see the different type of things that can be done. As always, I appreciate the support. If you found this content helpful, please give it a like, comment, subscribe. Please give me some suggestions on some other videos if you'd like. And I hope you have a great week. Peace, love, and blessings. Take care.
Our own mind has to be changed. We have to change our mind about ourselves.
But this world is such a gimme. everybody back off. You know, everybody's like taught that from school.
I don't come to bow, you know. I come to conquer.